So you created a fake account by the name of Marissa, and he was telling Marissa how much money he makes?
He fell for the bait.
Isn't that illegal, Your Honor?
Which part?
All of it.
No. We'll get to you in just a second because I have a lot of questions just based off of that. Marissa, so allegedly, he told...
Buckle up. This case is next level. A mother comes back to court with a jaw-dropping move. She catfished her ex to uncover hidden income. What starts as a standard child support hearing spirals into fake profiles, secret earnings, and explosive emotions. But when the judge starts digging, the truth turns the whole case upside down.
Extreme. So he actually makes $4,000 a week, and I've got that proof right here for you.
Okay. All right, so that's an additional, if true, it's an additional $16,000 a month. Let's look through here. Okay. And you're wanting an increase of his child support. You do this much talking? Oh.
Yes, she really admitted it. She created a fake profile named Marissa just to catch him lying about money. Is that pure dedication or straight-up deception? When the judge asked if it was even legal, the room went silent. How far would you go to prove someone's lying?
Last name for me?
Yes, Your Honor. C-O-T-T-Y.
All right. Is it Cotty?
Cotty.
Okay. Mr. Cotty.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What's going on? What's going on? And when I'm asking that question, I'm not looking for, what happened in your relationship and went wrong. We've already established that. There's a court order that says you're supposed to pay $768 a month. Okay.
She says he's pulling in $1,000 a week, and she's got screenshots. The captions? Lifted right from his own social media. If true, he's making way more than he claimed. But here's the real question. Can posts online actually count as proof of income in court?
Assistant speaking on my behalf.
So it is true.
It's my assistant speaking on my behalf.
Mr. Cotty, you show up to court for the first time today, and the first thing you want to do is waste my time.
No, Your Honor. No.
Please do not come in here and waste my time. It's a very straightforward question. If they're posting on your behalf, that means what they are posting is true. Yes or no?
Correct.
Okay.
Then it's his turn. Cool, confident, calling himself a rapper and business owner, earning $60,000 a year legit. But the judge cut straight to it. Are you earning this, or is it the business? That single answer could decide everything.
That's what I need to go.
Can you get access to health insurance coverage? Because right now you're reimbursing her $150 for coverage.
I thought they ended Obamacare.
Okay, so this is the way it works. That's not private health insurance.
Oh.
Private health insurance is something that you have and that you pay for every month. That's what she's doing.
Oh.
The children have to be covered.
And here's where it all collapses. Asked if he wrote those posts, he first blames his assistant, then admits they do show his real income. That's a legal booby trap. He just contradicted himself in front of the judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so that means she would be the one that is entitled to receive the child support from you. And it is based strictly off of your net resources. So, by your own admission, you make more money. However, you're saying it is for your business. Now, let me ask you a question. Did you bring in the paperwork from your sole proprietorship, like the tax?
The tension spikes. He says he can't provide health insurance and claims, I thought Obamacare ended. The judge has to break it down like a parent teaching a teenager. Private insurance isn't the same as government coverage. This isn't just child support. It's about basic responsibility.
You got served. Did you read the paperwork you were served with?
I was at my concert. Guy handed me a piece of paper I was performing. That's about it.
So the answer is no, probably.
Correct.
Okay. Well, within that paperwork, when you're served, it tells you you're coming to court today And these are some documents that you need to bring with you. Now, granted, everybody doesn't bring them, but that's how.
He insists the kids might as well live with him, but under pressure, admits they live with her. That one admission flips his entire case, because in custody law, what's on paper beats what feels true every single time.
What we're going to do, until you bring something in here that shows this income is not yours, your person, it is for your business, Texas law says that it's a net resource. So it has to be included in your gross. Do you understand what that means?
What if I stop doing my fundraisers?
Well, you're currently doing it.
Then the bombshell. He hasn't filed taxes in 3 to 4 years. The judge holds her composure, but it's serious. Without tax records, there's no way to separate personal income from business earnings. That's a legal danger zone.
What he was supposed to do. He came back to court. Even though he fumbled around with it, he eventually told the truth. Okay? So you got exactly what you wanted. So why are you being mean to him? Why are you being petty?
Sorry, it's just a lot of built up emotion.
Because she's single, Your Honor, that's all.
Huh?
She's single.
Oh, so that's what it is. It's some hurt feelings. Because you bought that little bag.
A little jealousy. You heard what she said.
The judge makes it crystal clear. If you post income and can't prove it's strictly business, it counts as personal. And that can change child support calculations in a heartbeat.
So, the fact that you know it is kind of disingenuous for you to come in here and act as though you didn't know it. Because it doesn't look like you're no longer coming in here for the benefit of the kids. It looked like you just want to come in here and stick it to them and get more money off of them.
No, these kids are very expensive.
No, I don't disagree that children are very expensive. However, you can't play with unclean hands.
Toxic.
You know.
But she doesn't let the mother off easy, calling her out for acting petty and turning this into revenge, not responsibility. The hurt is obvious, but family court isn't therapy. If it's not about the kids, it doesn't fly.
$168 amount.
Okay.
Thank you for wasting our time today.
Thank you for showing up. Had you been here last time, we wouldn't be going through this today.
Okay.
I just got served.
Neither one of you kind of wasted my time fully being here today because he needed to show up, obviously, to get the truth revealed for what you already knew. Mm-hmm. So, you can't throw shade at him.
In the end, the judge rules the extra money is business income, not personal. No increase in support, and he even gets credit for taking over health insurance. Legally sound? Yes. Emotionally satisfying? That's up for debate.